Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy guide on how to find your Samsung TV model number. Whether you need it for troubleshooting, upgrading, or just for reference, knowing your TV model number is essential. So let's get started. Step 1. Checking the TV settings. The first method to find your Samsung TV model number is through the TV settings menu. Here's how you can do it. Turn on your TV. Make sure your Samsung TV is powered on. Navigate to Settings using your remote. Navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Open Support or About This TV. Look for options like Support or About This TV within the Settings menu. Find model information in the Support or About This TV section. You should see details about your TV, including the model number. Note down your model number. Write down or memorize the model number displayed on the screen. It usually starts with a series of letters followed by numbers. Step 2. Checking the TV's label. If accessing the settings menu is not feasible, you can also find the model number on your TV's label. Here's how. Locate the label. Check around the edges or on the back of your Samsung TV. The label is usually on a sticker. Look for model information. On the label, you'll find various details about your TV, including the model number. Note down your model number. Write down the model number found on the label. It's typically near a barcode or QR code. Step 3. Using the Samsung remote control. If you still can't find the model number, you can try using your Samsung remote control. Press the Info button. On your Samsung remote, press the Info button. This button is often represented by an I or Info. Display model information. Pressing the Info button should display basic information about your TV, including the model number. Note down your model number. Write down the model number shown on the screen. Conclusion. And there you have it. Finding your Samsung TV model number is easy once you know where to look. Whether it's in the settings menu, on the TV's label, or using your remote control, these methods should help you locate the information you need.